Hello everyone. So, trying to find your Afterpay card number and CVV, here's what you need to know. So, unfortunately, Afterpay doesn't provide the full card number or CVV, even if your card is added to Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Let me show you. So, they don't give you the card number to use anywhere. So, once it is added to your Google Wallet, you just use that app or website at checkout or install with Google or Apple Pay. And I have found a method that actually, like, at first I thought it works, but I've tried this, and unfortunately there is nothing uh, there. So for online purchases, again, you don't use an Afterpay card number. You just log into your Afterpay account at checkout on supported stores. And so, and this is like 2 years ago, so I think there was a method to find that details, but not now. Anyway, so that's all there is to it. And if you like really want a virtual card number or something else, then I would suggest you use a firm. This one, you can find the CVV and rest of the card details here, or you can use Zip. Anyway, that's all for this video. Hope that clears things up. And like and subscribe if this saved you a ton of time searching around.